All right, guys, for a while I have been wanting to do a video to show you how to do your own online event using CintShare. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you're doing it for yourself or doing it for a team member, is have them create a group. Okay, so here's an example of a group that my consultant created. Okay, and you're also going to want to have them create a graphic. Okay, the more you have them do independently, the easier it's going to be for them to repeat it, okay? And once you go through this process and teach someone how to do an online event, they can then teach it to their team also, okay? So this is for everyone, and if you've never done one and you thought it's too scary, I wanna show you how to do it. So the first thing you do is you go to your homepage, okay? And you're gonna click on Groups. Here's Groups, okay? And you're gonna go to the top and you're gonna create a group, okay? So let's just open this up. I'm not gonna do it, but it's gonna look like this. So in here, you're gonna type in, Rachel's, ladies night in or whatever, okay? Add a couple people to the group immediately, maybe your spouse or the person that you're doing it for, and make sure it's a closed group, and then you're gonna create it, okay? Then you're going to go into the group and you're going to make sure that it's a favorite. So there'll be a setting in here that you can, when you're creating it, it'll say add to favorites. And then that way it'll pop up on this side as something that you can have a shortcut to, okay? That's the first thing that you're going to do. Next, you're going to want to get into CintShare. So I'm going to log out. So you're going to go to CintShare, and this is what it looks like, okay? CintShare.com. You can only do an online event from the desktop or laptop, okay? So you're going to go ahead and log in, okay? So I'm going to log in here. Should remember me, okay? So at the top, it has my name and my Facebook. So there's going to be, when you first create your free trial, so I think you can do a free trial for 30 days. Once you create a username and log in, it'll ask you to link your CintShare to your Facebook, and then that's how it comes up here. Okay? Then it will be linked completely. Now, there's some things on the side that you're going to want to know. Okay? So let's go to this one here at the top. So this one at the top here is how you're going to post a picture with text into the Facebook group. The next one is the first place that you're going to go. You're going to see like your Facebook and Twitter, and you're going to have your name, like your timeline. You don't want to schedule your online event post on your timeline, okay? It's going to be in one of the groups. So then you're going to go down to the groups down here, and let's find the group that I'm working on right now. Okay, so it's, where to go? Rachel's Get Your Shine On, okay? So you're going to come over here and you're going to click the heart, and it's going to have a check mark there, and that's the group that you want to have, the one that you're working on checked, so that you can go back up here to schedule a post, and then you're going to see the group down here, okay? So you have here to write your text, you can write what I'm going to do a post. And then you're going to have the calendar and the date and the group and everything. And here's where you upload photos and schedule the post. And then everything you've scheduled is going to run through here. Okay? So let's schedule a post here. Give me 1 second. So let's say I want to schedule a lash boost post. Okay? So what I'm going to do is type in something like this, just, hold on, this is tough with one hand. Check out our new product, and blah, 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 blah. Obviously, I'm going to write more about Lash Boost, what it is, okay? Then you're going to click up here, Browse, to upload a photo from your desktop. So you're going to want to have all the photos that you want for your online event over here in your desktop somewhere, okay? So you have easy access to them, and in a 1 hour online event, you're gonna wanna have about 15 pictures. I think it's like one every 5 minutes or something, okay? And then it's going to be easy to access when you come in here. So let's find my Lash Boost ones. Let's see here. It's 1626. So let's go like this. Let's see here. Okay, well, let's just pretend, like, let's say we're doing this one, okay? So it doesn't matter what picture it is, okay? Like my Lash Boost picture is right over here. Then you're going to upload it, and you're going to come over here to the date, and say your event is in a week. You're going to click on the date, okay? And then the time that you want this post to run, and it autofills to the date that we're on right now and the time that we're on, okay? And it autofills to Central Time. So you're going to want to change this. So say I want it on the date. Say I want this to run at, you know, let's see here. Let's do like 1 p.m., okay? And then you're going to select the group that you want it to go to. And then you're going to double check that you have everything you want. So you have everything you want to write in here, the picture that you like. If you want more than one picture in your post, you're going to click on this little plus sign and you can add more photos from your desktop, okay? You got the date, you got the time, you got the right group checked. You're going to schedule the post, okay? Then you're going to see it over here. And you can have it scheduled like in order of the date. Okay, so everything's going to be in here and you can double check all that it's in the right group, right date, right time, etc. when you're running through. Okay, so then you have this. Okay, this is your history page. Okay, so here's one that I just did that ran this evening for her group. And then the rest of this over here is like every other event that I've ever done, okay? So what's nice is that if you wanted to use a picture again from something you already liked, okay? So here's a Lash Boost one. So say we want to do this Lash Boost one, okay? And I already used this one on December 29th. So let's click the refresh button, and then it takes you right to the post that you did that day, okay? Only you can easily copy this and do it into a new group for a new date and time. Okay, so let's do this for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay, I'm going to delete these after. I'm just doing this to show you. 8 a.m. in Rachel's group. Okay, so the 24th at 8 a.m. in Rachel's group. And that's what I want to post, Lash Boost. I'm going to schedule the post. Okay, so it goes over here. Do you want to return to manage post pages? Yes. So when you do your second online event, you're going to spend a lot of time in this page. Okay, and you're going to spend some time maybe getting some new pictures, getting some new text, improve your language, getting a new before and after, stuff like that. But let's go to the top again. And you're going to see, oh, well, here, we're going to go on pending so that I can see what my pending posts are for tomorrow's online event. Okay, so it showed up there. Okay, so I actually do not want these posts in her event. So what you can do is click edit and come over here, and I'm going to delete this because I don't want that in her event. I was just showing to teach you, and you can go okay. Okay, so you can delete something. It's super easy on this side. You click the down arrow. It has edit the post. If you spelled something wrong, copy. What does that say? Copy post, delete post. Okay, so and you can go and do that if you're running through and you see you spelled something wrong. Okay, so that's basically an online event. The trickiest part is honestly getting your group to show up in here. Okay, because we all have so many groups that we're part of. So say you just created the group and you went on your Cinshare and you're clicking refresh and you're refreshing and refreshing and refreshing, waiting for the new group to show up. Okay, it will eventually be there. Don't worry. But that's like the most time consuming part. So I hope this helped, and I hope that you gain some confidence to do your own online event soon. Please, if you have any questions, comment or post below. I love y'all. Have an amazing night.